Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Mischief. Richie here, where I talk about my favorite thing, entire world, cryptocurrency. That's right. So today we are talking about the Ton blockchain and block space because it is really growing extremely fast. Today we're going to be talking about something extremely Dgen, which is a high APR, locked principal, Telegram bot miner, right? But I also plan on making a very sensible video about real yield on Ton, which will be coming tomorrow as well. So if you don't want to know about a 6% daily, extremely degen, high yield bot that runs on Telegram using Ton, then this might not be the video for you. But wait, don't leave just yet. I will give you a hint on what we're going to be looking at tomorrow before we get into the miner. So as we see, Ton at the moment is $7 just about. When we talked about this was over a year ago, and Ton was sitting under $1. And yeah, I was around about here. I think we were talking about it, where I had that big peak, then it kind of came back down, calmed down. I've been accumulating a bit, but it is one of my things that I faded quite a lot, which is strange because I use Telegram a lot, and Ton is intrinsically linked with Telegram in many ways. So if we come over and look at DeFi Llama, also for the Ton blockchain, we can see that it's spiked. You can kind of see from this chart that if we went back to March this year, the TVL on Ton was 23 million, and today we're sitting at 355 million. So it's done, God, what is that, 4, 8, 12x in the space of 3 months. And the TVL of the chain, $375 million is still very small if we compare it and, ranked among all the other blockchains. That's why there is a great opportunity for DeFi right now on Ton, because like Binance Smart Chain before it and Base Chain before that, as these chains start to get busy, PancakeSwap on Binance Smart Chain, Aerodrome on Base Chain, and what is the trading desk going to be for liquidity that we're going to be talking about tomorrow, right, is going to be, guessed it, are you saying it? Begins with a D. It's called DeDust. DeDust, basically. We see here, easy to see this, right? DeFi Llama, we have StoneFi, and then we have DeDust, which is $119 million TVL at the moment, which is 1/3 of the entirety of the TVL of Ton. And we see right now, you can connect your wallet, and you can come and get Ton with USD for 178% APR. Boom, there you go. Now, will Ton go up in value? Yes, I think so. I think it is easily going to hit $50 in the bull run. That's my price prediction, by the way. We can also pair up Notcoin, which is another pumping coin at the moment that we were mining day one with this channel, and we got it free airdrop for it, and you can pair that with your Ton and get 240% APR. So we'll be doing all that tomorrow, right? But today, we're not doing that. We are coming into the world of Telegram bots. So we actually discovered the yield farm for Ton 2 days ago in the DAO, our NFT DAO, in the liquidity room where we look for different liquidity pools. And we got into the miner yesterday because that was also put into the DAO first, because I like to let them know first. So that's 48 hours after we're going to make the video about the yield farms that we're looking into. And 24 hours after, we're going to be talking about the high risk, high reward Dgen. Fly by the seat of your pants miner as well. But yeah, if you want the newest and best news, then you need to have the NFT. Best way to get the NFT, you can buy a ticket for $8 right now in the raffle to potentially win one, or go over to OpenSea, sweep the floor, grab one, or mint one on the website, cryptomischief.io, link in the description. Okay, fantastic. So here we are. I've launched up this on Telegram. So this is actually on, so pressing the link in the description will bring you to Taco's boss, right? Then all you need to do is then click on Start Web App, and then it's going to open up the launch for the miner, right? And pretty cute little miner. It's called Ton Tacos, the first and tastiest reward pool offering up to 6% in variable returns daily. This will lock your capital, and then you will have to withdraw Ton daily. The more Ton that comes in the contract, the higher your APR, the lower the APR. This is high risk, high reward. You could not ROI. If it goes very well, you could ROI by massively, because it did just launch today. I was talking to the team. They said, can you hold off on the video for about 24 hours? Because we want to just launch it first, and then we want to market it, right? So I said, okay. So you see, I have some salsa. I have 829 salsa here. I have 12 Ton that I can either eat or make salsa, right? So making salsa will compound it, and eat will bring it into my wallet. Either one will have a fee of 0.1 Ton, which is at the moment 67 cents. So 12.2 Ton the moment. So it's about $84. So what I'll do is I will compound that, and I will make more salsa, right? So we come here, we make salsa. mixing it up. Now, you need a wallet for this. I tried the Telegram wallet, which comes straight with Telegram, if you don't know about that. Unfortunately, it didn't work very well with the app. So then I had to get another wallet that worked well with it, right? We're making salsa. Oh, there we go. So I'm actually using TonHub, link in description for that as well. We're going to show you how to get set up on that. It works on mobile. I couldn't find it on desktop actually. So we're doing everything on mobile today, which is cool. Makes it all easy. So we come there to open wallet. We go to TonHub wallet. It brings us over. Well, I was playing around there. Then we have a transaction here and we click on that. It will then ask us, do we want to do this? So we need to send 0.1 ton to then compound it as well, right? That's a nice little touch to this because by having that little compound fee, we'll feed into the contract and then, you know, keep it nice and fluffy, basically. So that's that work there. We then can come back to the miner and it will then feed my rewards into the dApp and give me more salsa. The more salsa I earn, then the more ton I get daily from this. The higher the contract balance goes. At the moment, it has 623 ton in here, right? Not loads. That's why I'm quite interested. It's only $4,000 in here at the moment, which is very small, which is great, right? Because we want that kind of low early entry into a miner because that's when you get the best chance to get the most salsa or miners, right? So that's essentially it. That's how it works. You want to play it, play it. You don't want to play it, don't play it, right? This is all about learning how you want to play in DeFi, what you want to do. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing you products which are released. That's what we do on this channel. It's not updating my salsa though. Let's come back to the TonHub. We are still sending. That's why. Ton network is very slow. Right. So now you're thinking, okay, I'll try it. Or actually, you might be just thinking like, I want it on board to Ton, right? Because it looks like a pretty good coin. So I'm actually holding Ton in a bunch of places. I do have it on PancakeSwap. And I also have it on Ton Chain on the Telegram wallet. And I also have it on the Ton bot. Is it Ton bot? Ton something. But yeah, this should now be updated. Let me check. Come back out. Go back in. In, out. In, out. I didn't get any more salsa, but I did make salsa. So, oh wait, my rewards are still there. What happened? Maybe we'll try eat. Let's see if that works. Okay, so eating did work, but for some reason compounding didn't, but that's fine because my idea then anyway is just to take that, what was it, 12? Let's take 11 then. And we take 11 ton and then we make tacos anyway. So we're going to send it back into the beast, right? Early days, you want to get as much fresh capital in as possible. It's my strategy. And then start to play the long compounding and claiming game, right? And get the ROI. At the same time, this does have a pretty good referral. So if you do have a network that you can chill to, then you can also get rewards straight into your wallet. Well, not your wallet, sorry, into the miner. You will then get Ton coin into the miner as rewards that you can then use, right? As you saw, I had some rewards there. I wasn't able to compound them, but I can claim them out and put them back in. You could try compound. Maybe it was just something wrong with Ton network or something. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm confirming that. Right, so for example, we come over to Binance Smart Chain. I do have Ton coin right here. I have about $1,200 worth of Ton here. I think it was like 300 when I bought it, so it's doing really well. I just hodl this in the Binance Smart Chain. I could move it into my Ton wallet, but I am hooked up with a ledger here, so I'm quite happy just to leave it doing its thing here, right? This is my hodl bag. But I do want to move more funds into the TonHub, right? Into the wallet. So to do that, I'm going to show you how to easily do this. And very quickly, we're going to use Rubic, right? So I'm going to switch to my cross-chain. I bet you're super happy when you realize that was going to tell you that you need one more wallet to use this, you know. Delighted. One more wallet. But what else do we need, you know? Another one. One more. It's not like I have enough. Right. Okay, there's many ways to do this. We're going to use the Binance Smart Chain because it's low gas and I've got, you know, fresh capital on there that I can use for these kind of things. So we'll go 0.1 ETH and we want to send that over to Ton, right? So we come on the Rubic, right? This is rubic.exchange, by the way. We come down and we want to find Ton, right? So we just search there for Ton and there we are, Ton, right? Then we want to send Ton, right? We want to get Ton coin. So we're going to send ETH over to Ton, right? Then where's it going to go? You need your wallet address. So you then come to your wallet here, right? And we just go here, receive, and then Ton wallet is there, right? There for copying. We then paste that wallet in here. It gives you a green tick, meaning you are good to go. Then you will preview the swap. Now, unfortunately, on Rubic, the only exchange we can use is Change Now. And you know how I feel about Change Now. I hate the guys. They still owe me 200 Matic, which I just gave up on, you know. They can KYC you if they see fit. So this is the only way I know at the moment to get from, you know, cross-chain onto Ton. If there's a better way, then please let me know. Because I really don't like to use change now, but, you know, it goes on anyway. Yeah, we're going to get 53 Ton sent into our Ton Hub wallet through Rubic, which is going to use change now. So we're using MetaMask on Rubic with the Binance Smart Chain. I'm using ETH on Binance Smart Chain. Then I inputted the address of my Ton Hub, which is sitting on my phone, right? Yep, the Telegram group just had the buy bot flash up with 11 tons coming. By the way, join the Telegram group for this as well. I'll put that in the description as well, so you can get talking to people in there as well. But yeah, I'll come back to the launch it. And by the way, the creator of this, I do know. So that's why I'm also happy to talk about this, because the creator of this has made dApps before and they didn't rug. So, okay, so finally, right. So now I have 1.21 ton in my wallet, and we have now tripled our salsa to 2,559 salsa, and the contract balance has gone up with the amount that I've re-compounded back in the slow way, basically, and that's us sitting pretty good there. The last thing we want to check then is, has our money from Rubic been sent yet? And you can see not yet. We are waiting for completion on source chain, waiting to complete on the target chain. So usually Rubic is quite fast, but going to ton chain, I've noticed, does take quite a while, about 20 minutes. You can see here I have 53 ton coming over, and that is pending. Yeah, pending. So it will be arriving. And yeah, about 5 minutes later, we now have success on that. So we come back, we check it here in the wallet on the dApp, and it does say that we have 54 ton now in our balance to play around in the game now. Cool. So that's how we use the wallet, the Ton Hub, with the Ton Tacos and Rubic. And tomorrow we'll get into how to work all of this together with some real DeFi and get some real yield, non-Dgen yield, but kind of Dgen because they're 200% APR, 400% APR, 400% APR. Look at that. I want that too, right? Oh, APY, sorry, compounding. Cool. Okay, great. So I've been Crypto Mischief. Be good to each other. I'll see you all in tomorrow's video about the Ton ecosystem, DeDust, and also any other yield farms I do come across. Peace. Catch you later. Don't get wrecked.